everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do an unboxing. I'm going to share my kit for October and I'm also going to use it for November. So I'm actually going to do a video with my DIY kit for October, but I wanted to show you in case I know a lot of people aren't interested in subscriptions, but for those that are, I'm just going to do a bit of walkthrough of, I got the Deluxe Journaling Kit, which I think that's actually one kit that I can say that I am thinking I'm going to enjoy, see how I'm going to use it, and I think that will be my subscription for Cocoa Daisy for 2025. And then just to try out, I did get the main planner kit. It's not here. I have purchased that separate and it couldn't be shipped together. So I was trying to weigh out what planners I want to get. So what planner kits I want to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and share and then share my thoughts on how my experience has been in the future. Another video on kits. Yeah. I don't know why I'm going blank, but yeah, just share my thoughts on my past experience with subscriptions and why I'm so happy with the Deluxe Kit for with Cocoa Daisy. So here we have the card. It is called Cozy Season. And then here it shows Christine's idea behind it. So this is October. So I can just leave that here so you can look at that. And then this month's you get the vinyl sticker, early sunsets, warm tea, messy hair, big sweaters. So that's really cute. And then I did not get any like box stickers or anything. I am going to use stuff in my stash. So like I said, I will do a video on my DIY kit, but I wanted to share the Deluxe Kit in case anybody was interested. So here is the Deluxe Kit. I am like actually excited about this kit. I've been wanting to get my hands on it, and so finally have. So it does come in an envelope, which is nice. The price point is $35.95, which is really a really good deal. So first off, here is the stamp set. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. Make sure you can see it. It's a pretty stamp set. Looks almost like a quilted, like something that's been quilted. I guess it's like a throw blanket. So pretty. And so every month you get a stamp set as well, which that alone is pretty cool. You get sticky notes, which I am excited about, so I can add this in my journaling. I even like this because I can plan on these, journal with these. This is just like the perfect kit for journaling and planning. So I don't want to go through each piece and say what you can do with it because I can do that later. So I will go through the die cuts in a minute. This pretty washi tape. Let's see, let's go ahead. We can open this up. Let's do a little sample here. Do a little sampling back with the washi tape. It is really pretty. Let's see if I can get it open. So you get this beautiful washi tape. And that's what's nice too. You get washi tape, you get sticky notes, you get a stamp. Like it's pretty much an all-in-one. So that's so pretty. Okay. And then this is a card. It's actually a journaling prompt card. But if you didn't want to do the journaling prompts, you can use it as a tip-in. You could even cut it in half and use it as a tip-in to your planner. You probably have to cover that up, or you could even cut this in half, whatever. Very cute. These colors are so pretty. Okay, what should I dive into next? Let's do the rub-ons. Beautiful rub-ons. Wow. This is so vibrant, so pretty. Do one at a time. Hopefully I'm not too close. And I'm glad, so glad there's not a lot of mushrooms. So that's why also I'm gonna use this kit for November, because I have some other items from last year that would go really well with that. And then you have, get stickers. So that's another thing, is like usually a sticker kit is like $18, $19. So for like, what is it, less than $20 more, you get like a whole kit. It is super nice. I like this because I like to put my, they are vellum. The other ones in the other kit are not vellum. They are like the paper, but I like those. Still really pretty. And then you get like some washi, it's like vellum stickers. Well, they call it stickers. So you can cut them up. They're full. So what's nice is I can cut this and put them at the top on my planner, journals. It's perfect. You get letter stickers. These are vellum as well. And then you get some more vellum stickers, decorative stickers. So pretty, such a pretty kit. And then you get more vellum stickers. So yeah, they're all vellum. And that is that. Okay, and then here you get some, like, I guess they're considered like PET stickers. So that is really pretty. Very nice. And then she gives in the kit like a specialty. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about this, but this would be cute to like tuck in the back of something, just like a journal or whatever. So yeah, and I think it's like a, I don't know what you consider this. It's like almost like a homemade paper, but yeah, pretty cool. You get vellum. So everything I was getting in other kits that I was paying $100 to get, it's like I get what I want in one kit, which is just very nice. You get like a ledger style paper, and then on the back, it's a ledger, some boots. What's nice is you can cut this and make your own tip-ins. That's what I like about that too. So I really don't need to get the cards anymore, because the tip, unless I really like them, but I can make my own with just the extra papers that she gives in the kit. And then here you have pumpkins and that pretty yellow. This is so pretty. Is that the same as the washi tape? No, it's a little bit, but those colors, oh, that is so pretty. And then on the other side, you get your stripes. And then here, get your beautiful leaves, fall leaves, and then the pattern. All right, let's go ahead. We'll pull these out really quick. And this is another thing that I always like to get, is the tabs. I do miss the smaller tabs, but I didn't want to get that other kit anymore since I wasn't grandfathered into that price anymore. I figured this is a better, definitely a better deal for me, because I will use all of this. Like I can, like I said, it's probably be part of my kit for like 2 months. And I'm actually gonna sell a set of the papers to a friend, so I won't have 2 sets since I got some in the main kit. So this can go into my journal. Sweater weather, or sweaters and scarves. Crisp fall nights. I didn't really know a fall or autumn until I moved to Michigan. Living in California, living in the Bay Area, we didn't have like really any, it's not any transition with fall and winter and all that. It's just the weather gets cooler. But in Michigan, I have experienced some beautiful autumn days. Remember. So yes, that is like perfect. Love it. All right. Just put that to the side. For this month, so I wanted to actually use this in my Wonderland 222 to see how it fits, but I can't see myself paying $16.95 a month. So these are really pretty, but I don't think it's something I would do every month, just unless I really like the kit. Hopefully I'm in frame. So cute. And this is the only vellum, the rest of it is paper. Really like those sweaters, that's cute. Michigan was so warm last year, I think I barely wore a sweater. Like I was wearing a jacket and it was a warm winter. Warm, I feel like I don't even know if I wore any sweaters last year. I have me a nice Columbia jacket, so I usually wear that. And then my cards, which I'm going to use as tip-ins, and these will be used, anything that says October will be used for October, and then the rest, oops, so will be used for November. It's pretty. And then if I don't want to have like a bunch of the girls, I could always just cover it up. There's so many die cuts that are big enough. Like, I don't know. I just cover with the sweater or whatever. All right, so October. I do like the cards though. They are such good quality. And I like how they have the realistic pictures on there now. I think that really is what won me a lot. Sweater weather. And what's nice is I can even still use this for winter too, like time to get cozy. And I still have some in my stash. Those boots are cute. Flowers. Oh, so pretty. Oh, that's cute. I think I have these upside down. Yeah, no, I'm not big on pumpkin spice. A little bit, I'll try their drinks, but I'm more like, now living in Michigan, give me the cider and the donuts. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, I am like way up there. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm not a Halloween person, so I probably could cover this up too and put something on there. Then the boots again. Oh, I like that. Oh, those cards are just, those are gorgeous. Those are pretty. So that is it for this. And then, like I said, I got the main kit. So this will be my kit. And then just really quick, I did print off this printable. I did not get the sterling ink kit, but I did print off the calendar, and that will go really pretty with this. And what's nice is if I want to print it bigger too, I can. But I want to show you what paper I used for this. I actually bought this during the spring. I wanted to try to see how this tracing paper would go into the printer. It goes really nice because it is very thin. I tried some other paper and for some reason it was too thick. But this one is perfect. So that's how I was able to print this off. And that's the free download. And then I found these. I think they were on sale. Can't remember if they were clearance down or not at Office Depot. These translucent self-sticky notes. And so I did print this a little off. I didn't do 100%. I forgot to put 100%, so it's smaller, but I tried. Let's see if it seems like I think it dried. Let's see how this is. Oh yeah. So I used the Zebra Sarasa 05. When I touched it earlier, the ink kind of smeared. Let's see if it smears here. It does a little, but yeah. So that is if I would have printed it correctly, but I probably still use these. But I just want to show that, but I am going to use that as well in my journal and planner. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. And stay tuned for a setup. I don't know if I probably will do like my first week in here. I am gonna change how my setup is. I don't think I'm gonna do this again because this does take up room in the boxes. So I'm gonna do a different setup layout for these pages. And I am also going to decide to, because for 2025, I'm using the Wonderland 222. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a practice run in my, for October. So I'll kind of set that up and I will share with you how I am gonna use that. So thank you so much for stopping by. Stay tuned. Look out for my DIY kit that will be coming up and all the goodies, and then I'll try to do a couple of process videos. So thanks so much for stopping by. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.